Hey, welcome to the show. If you're wondering what this is, it's not a cobra, it's an endoscope. I'm going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, thanks a lot for joining the show today. Let's do a quick unboxing of this endoscope. It comes with the endoscope, of course, and it also comes with a Wi-Fi transmitter, and it also comes with a set of accessories like a hook, mirror, a magnet, and a USB charging line. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to your Play Store and look for a program called HDSEE. All right, and you'll find that right here, and go ahead and download that program. And so once you have that program, what you want to do is go, before you open it, you want to go and set up your Wi-Fi. And so go ahead and click this on, and it'll show up right here. So you just go ahead and click that, and it does come with a password in the instructions, and it's really easy to set up. And so once that is done, go ahead to the program itself, HDC. And right now you can see that it is all set up. So this is the record button right here, and it records in really good resolution. And you can set the settings up here to record either in 1200p, 720p, or 640p. And the camera resolution is at 1600 by 1200 or 1280 by 720 or 640 by 480. So it's pretty easy to record. All you have to do is hit the record button and you are recording. Now you'll notice the focal length of the camera right here. Right here you can see some details in my eyes. So it's not a bad camera. You'll notice that this is very flexible. So that means that you can straighten it up, straighten it out like this, and that you can stick this under areas like your refrigerator or down a pipe or under, different things that you might need to get into, like a car engine. One nice feature about this endoscope is that you can connect 3 to 4 smart devices simultaneously to view the images or the video. So that means if you're doing an inspection of something, that you can have multiple people watch the images. This is also waterproof. You can see that I put this in my aquarium and I'm looking at my fish, and so right away I'm thinking, hey, this might be a nice object to take out ice fishing this winter. Or in the springtime, when I'm fishing out there, I can just put this out in the water. You'll notice that this has an LED light, and right here, this has an adjustment. So you can take this LED light and you can make it bright or turn the LED light off. So a couple things in the box that it comes with is a little hook right here. So if you need to try to find, let's say you dropped your keys in between the steps, all you have to do is hook this right here. And then when you're looking with your endoscope, you can try to snatch your keys up. And that's kind of a neat feature. Another attachment is a magnet. Now there will be times that you need to take this endoscope and you need to see off to the side instead of straight down, and so they supplied you with this little gadget here, and that has a mirror. So you just go ahead and screw this in there like this. So when you get this, make sure that you take this little plastic piece off right here, because otherwise it's going to be kind of not that very clear. So now once you take that off there, you'll be able to see to the side. So that's a really nice feature if you're trying to see different things to the side instead of straight on. I really like the length of this endoscope, and there's so many different uses that you can use this endoscope with. You can use it for car repair, household cleaning or maintenance, science, education. Can you imagine seeing a hole in the ground and sticking this down to see what type of creature lives down in there? So that would be very interesting. I know that there's some snake holes out in the backyard that I'd like to put that in. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. If you don't have an endoscope, you have to get one. These are so much fun. I mean, can you imagine the possibilities of trying to get a camera into a place that you never thought you could get one in? This is very inexpensive. Check out my link I'll have down below on my Amazon. It's 12 foot, long enough for what you need. The LEDs are super bright. The Wi-Fi connection is easy to connect. What more can you ask for? And make sure you check out the company iksee. They make quality products and they have great customer support. And I am super happy with this endoscope. Can't wait to play with it this summer. Like always, have a fun day and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.